Hello and welcome back to my channel LearnTeachShare. This video is a part of Jenkins video tutorial series, and in this video we will look into how we can enable the dark theme in Jenkins. Generally, it is a quite straightforward process. However, some users might find it confusing and there might arise some kind of error. So this video is an attempt to overcome those issues. So let's get started. So I have my Jenkins login screen here. I will log into my Jenkins. I'll also keep me signed in. Now if we go to the Manage Jenkins page here, we have this appearance item here. Inside the appearance, in my case, there is this pipeline graph view, but yours might be empty, and our target is to have the dark theme panels or the dark theme items to be available in this page. So we will go back to the Manage Jenkins, and in the plugins we will look for the dark theme plugin here. First of all, let's see what is this. It says that it requires Jenkins version 2.4 to 6.3, and there are some other things here, for example how it looks with the dark theme. So let's go back. In my case, my Jenkins version here is 2.4 to 6.3, so exactly the minimum requirement. If you do not have at least this version of Jenkins, you should first upgrade your Jenkins at least to this version or to the latest version. You can also try with the version which is lower than this if it works. I will select this dark theme and install it. It will take some time. Now we can see the success status here, so it means that the dark theme installation was successful. I'll go back to Manage Jenkins, and again in this appearance item, now you can see that there are these panels to select under the themes section here. If we select the dark theme, everything becomes dark. If we select the dark system theme, it will sync with the system's theme, and the default is of course the light theme. So let's check this one. Here is also an option to not allow users to select a different theme. So if you are an administrator of Jenkins and enable this dark theme, this will be applied to all the users. However, users have the possibility to change the theme as they required. Maybe some users do not like the dark theme and want to have the default light theme. So in case this checkbox is not checked, they can do that by navigating to their own user configuration page. In case this is checked, they are not able to change the theme. So I will explain this in action. I will first leave it as it is and save it. In this users menu under the configure tab, there is this themes section here. If the user doesn't want, the user can select a different theme like this and apply. If I go back to the manage Jenkins page, and in the appearance item, do not allow users to select a different theme and save it. And if the user goes to the configure page, then there is no more the theme section here. I will go back to manage Jenkins once again and apply this theme to all the users and allow also the users to select their own theme and save it. If I log out from Jenkins, the login page also has a dark theme. If your dark theme is not enabled, even though you have the dark themes available under the appearance page and you have selected the dark theme, there can be issue with the proxy. If you go to the manage Jenkins, in this case, you will see this kind of notification here saying it appears that your reverse proxy setup is broken. So one of the reasons for this is the IP address or the URL here not matching with the system configuration. Here in my case I have 192.168.205.108. However, in the URL I have a different IP address, so there is 107 instead of 108. So these two need to match. Since we can access our Jenkins in this URL, we have to change the URL in this setting. So I will change it to 107 and save it, and it gets enabled automatically. So this was all for the video on enabling dark theme in Jenkins. If there is any comments about the video, please leave it under the comment section. If you liked this video and would like to view similar videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to create more video contents. See you in my next video.